You've got this. Here come the easy ones. Which drummer for the Beatles was born Richard Starkey? And it is option A, Ringo Starr. The former Nirvana drummer who became lead singer of Foo Fighters is who? You're looking for option D, Dave Grohl. Name the Genesis drummer who sang lead on Invisible Touch after Peter Gabriel's exit. You're looking for option A, Phil Collins. Time to put that knowledge to work. Identify the American-born percussionist whose crisp hi-hats drove the Police's reggae rock hits. The answer here is option B, Stuart Copeland. This Denmark-born co-founder of Metallica laid down the thunder on Master of Puppets. Who is he? It's option D, Lars Ulrich. Blink-182 hired which tattooed drummer after Scott Raynor departed in 1998? Correct answer, option C, Travis Barker. Dubbed The Professor, which lyric-writing percussionist powered the Canadian trio Rush? Lock it in. Option C, Neil Peart. This is the deep end. During Moby Dick live solos, which Led Zeppelin drummer famously played barehanded? It's option B, John Bonham. Cream's fiery red-haired stickman fused jazz and African rhythms. Name this drummer. We were looking for option D, Ginger Baker. Known for explosive kit destruction and the octopus-like fill in Won't Get Fooled Again? Which Who member was that? Lock it in. Option D, Keith Moon. How many did you get? Drop your score in the comments and subscribe. We drop quizzes every day.